Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA is just incredible at the moment. Quite pleased that GALA is doing so well because we've been covering it quite a lot here on this channel. I also said that metaverses or play-to-earn games are going to do really well in 2022. And I mean, it's really only the beginning. I mean, we're only back at 29 cents, where we're coming from was much higher. I think 85 cents was the top. And I'm not implying at the moment that this is necessarily already the beginning of a new bull run to new all-time highs, but it just shows the potential of metaverse cryptos. I did say it, I think, in one of the videos, or it was in a live stream, that at the moment there are so many metaverse games and metaverse projects in the crypto world. Every major company, major companies are going, or major tech companies are going into the metaverse, and the only reason that these were all down, GALA, Zand, Mana as well, a lot of others, the reason for that is that the whole market is down basically, or it was down. Now it's obviously picking up a little bit, and you can see the potential of these metaverse cryptos. Sandbox doing quite well as well, but I think GALA might even have been here the winner in the top 100 today. I haven't really checked it, but I think that I won't find another one that did more than 50%. So it's fantastic, doing really well, GALA. I had a buy order trigger down here somewhere, which is fantastic, but I'm still going to hold on to it for a bit longer. The reason why I make this update video is because we're coming very close now to my target area or the target level that we defined earlier today. I did another update earlier today and talked about the potential of further price increases here for GALA in the short term. And we defined here a target area, or target level actually, the next one for GALA, that was here just above 30 cents. Just need to make sure I do this here correctly, accurately. Otherwise I will be giving you wrong information, which I don't want to do. So let me just do that accurately here. Right, so we had here 30.7 cents was the next level that I did expect GALA to reach. Now we're currently at 29 cents. We have come all the way up to 29.7 already, so very, very close. And this is the 0.382 fib level for a wave 4, in which we potentially still are. Yeah, that's what I think. But it's actually going up quite impulsive at the moment, right? So so 30.7 cents, the 0.382 fib level is certainly the next one that I expect the price to reach. Not far away from it. And to be fair, it's reaching it faster than I expected. I mean, we're not there yet, but we're very close. And should we break through here in this scenario of a wave 4, we could even go all the way up to the 0.5 fib level at 35 cents. Yeah. If we break above that, it would be a different pattern. We then need to talk about that. At the moment, primarily, I still think that we are seeing here basically a wave 4 before we see another wave down in a wave 5. But to be fair, it's moving up quite strongly at the moment. Yeah, quite impressive what the price here is doing at the moment. So back here in the target area anyway that we defined earlier today. It's getting dangerous now though. It's getting dangerous. So someone thinking about FOMOing in now. It all depends on what you want to do. It all depends. If you plan to hold for a little bit of a longer period, I mean, look at where we were. We're at 85 cents. I mean, people already holding back now and thinking, right, I wouldn't go in anymore. And again, I can't give you financial advice, but look at the chart. Look at where we are. I mean, surely it's better to buy at 20 cents or even here where we're down at 15 compared to where we are now. But bear in mind that we were already at 85 cents. I'm just saying. Yeah, I'm just saying. And yes, there will probably be another dip, and we can see that here. I mean, we're on the 4-hour chart. I think it's never been that overbought. Maybe here in November 21, it was overbought, but then also you saw consolidation. Yeah, it brought the RSI down. It had to basically, because it was just too overbought. But it did hold for a certain period generally in the overbought level for a few weeks. But it always brought it down again in areas of consolidation, and you can see how massively it did go up back then. So just imagine we would see another pump like that at the moment. this looks very similar at the beginning of that, right? So you have here the beginning, then you get a consolidation that could take a few days or so before you then see another pump and another pump, and that's it. You know, and you're already back at all-time high. That's why I always like to have a foot in the door. You know, I'm not interested in taking profit now because the potential is just too huge. You know, if I took profits now, I would probably just take a little bit, but I think it can go up further anyway. So in the short term, well, not in the very short term, I think there will be now a bit of consolidation, yeah. So the RSI just need to be brought down on the 4-hour chart especially, but if you look on the 1 hour, it already was up here. It has been brought down now. What you can see here is already on the 1 hour chart, a bearish divergence, yeah. So it just means that, well, on one hand, the RSI is coming down. It's only on the 1 hour chart, that bearish divergence for now, but it just means that you can expect a bit of a correction here. Yeah, we did, and this, yeah, we've got here a little bit of a trend line anyway. I mean, this was only an arrow, but you can define here now a trend line and a ascending trend line that you can use to define, right, when does the uptrend stop, and where could a price pull back to in a retracement. So let's say we need to see that retracement now because we were overbought, or we still are on the 1 hour chart, on the 4 hour chart. Where could we pull back to? We could pull back in the first instance to the trend line here, maybe the previous highs at around 27 cents, yeah. So that is something that is likely, in my view, just looking at the chart and how overbought we are here on the 4 hour chart. I think on the daily we might not yet be overbought. No, we are not yet. So generally, you know, in the short term, you expect some sort of a retracement in the very short term, yeah. But here on the daily, there is further scope for further price increases, yeah. That is why the target area still has space to the upside, okay. So however, if you then get overbought on the daily, then you can expect a bit of a more significant retracement, I would say. Okay, we just need to observe that now. As channel member who's been following my buy orders, you definitely have a foot in the door here already, depending on what crypto you went with. But yeah, I'm quite glad that this project is covered here on my channel, and it's just, it's a fantastic project. It is very impressive. It's good. You know, will it be here in 5 years' time? I think so. I can't guarantee it. You know, with the metaverse cryptos, it's very difficult. It's a very trending niche. I think it is a revolution as well. I think the whole crypto niche, metaverse, or generally in the world, it will be here. But is GALA specifically going to be here? I don't know. But GALA is definitely, in my view, a better choice compared to single crypto games, yeah, where one game comes and it goes, you know, because people don't stay interested in a game. But an ecosystem like, for example, GALA, or also Sand, which is, I would consider also an ecosystem, where you can buy land, you can trade the land, you can actually build on that. You know, not build in terms of buildings, but you can do that as well. But it's more like you can make your own games there, or businesses, people can do their own games, and then these experiences, right? That is sort of something where you can build on something. But you have a game like Axie Infinity that's doing well at the moment as well, but overall I think, you know, that can just go any time, whereas here on GALA there are various games that are built on that. So yeah, overall looking very impressive at the moment. It's moving up strongly. I still would expect another leg down at some point here, yeah, but there is further short-term scope to move higher. But in the very short term, because we're overbought on the lower time frames, you can expect some a correction. But then what happens? Should we really go through here to the moon? Where can we actually land? And I think we can land here certainly at the 1.618 extension at the next move up. Not the next move up, you know, but in the next major wave up, and that is 133, or more likely 163, the 200% Fibonacci extension. And if it's a really impressive run, we could get to $2.11, the 2.618 Fibonacci extension level. And just want to update you here about GALA because it's doing really well, but I think we're going to here hit a barrier at the moment. Maybe we can push all the way up to 30.7, but then we can expect here a bit of a retracement, I think, before we continue to push higher, because I think we're going to see here the RSI getting close to overbought on the daily. I think we are going to see that, and then going to see a further retracement. All right, hopefully you liked the update about GALA. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. And if you really like the content, yeah, maybe consider to join as a channel member. Then you can get access to Discord, Telegram, and a weekly live stream. And yeah, it's a fantastic community with over 800 members now. So yeah, feel free to check that out. And for that, you can find the links in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.